A very good morning and a warm welcome to our guest dignitaries, esteemed Professor B.B. Pati sir, Director IQSC, respected Professor D. Mishra sir, Dean Academics, respected Dean CDCE, Professor P.R. Das, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. C.R. Deo, faculties from various reputed universities, and research scholars. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of the one-week AICTE Training and Learning Atal Faculty Development Program called Novel Materials Fabrication Design and Optimization, which is to be held starting from today, that is 20th September 2021 till 24th September 2021. Now let us join together for the inauguration ceremony. Thank you all.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you, everyone. Now I would request our head of the department. Thank you, all of you. Now this faculty development program called Novel Materials, Fabrication, Design and Optimization, which is to be held starting from today, that is 20th September 2021 till 24th September 2021, aims at improving teaching and research quality and understanding appropriate techniques and advances in recent technology to embark upon and fulfill the needs of the progressive technical environment in academics. Novel materials have been the recent topic of interest in innovation and technology due to the need of more compact and lightweight materials and miniaturization of various devices. This FDP therefore encompasses topics ranging from synthesis and characterization of materials, numerical simulation, and analysis of materials by creating a real-time environment. Types of coatings in materials to enhance life of materials to advanced manufacturing techniques using artificial smart system approach soft computation and optimization techniques, thermofluidic systems, smart materials, and other multifunctional materials, including green composites for a sustainable environment. Apart from these, this program also includes sessions of the art of living, stress management, life skills, personality development through emotional intelligence for a successful life and career. I hope this FDP enhances our know-how and motivates us to improve our knowledge and research. Now I would request our head of the department, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. C.R. Deo sir, to please give the welcome address. Sir, please.
Thanks, Coordinator Dr. Devasmita Mishra. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor of our University, Professor Bansidhar Maji, Senior Professor, Professor B.B. Pati sir, Director IQAC, Devadatta Mishra sir, Dean Academic, Professor Piyush Das sir, Dean CDC, and our beloved chief guest, Professor Alok Satpathy sir from NIT Rourkela. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this 5 days Auto FDP on novel material fabrication and design. Material that change history. From Stone Age to silicon chip, material are the fundamental building block of culture. The fundamental importance of the material is made clear from the naming of age of civilization, the stone, iron, and bronze age, with each new era being brought about by new material. Hence, the field of material is very much immense and diverse. The Industrial Revolution, first material the Industrial Revolution thrust metals into the forefront of technology, and they have become the very foundation of our modern society. One cannot envision a life in which electronics, transportation system, building, and machines are not part of our daily lives. Hence, it is the role of engineers to study, develop, design, and operate processes that transform raw material into useful engineering product intended to improve the quality of our lives. I especially give my thanks to the coordinators for their design framework of this FDP, which combining all the areas with intent to operate synergistically across all 7 components of material development: continuum discovery, development, property optimization, system design and integration, certification, manufacturing, and development that includes sustainability and recovery. I would like to appreciate the coordinator of the program to select such topic in which people from various fields of engineering will interact and share their knowledge as well as exchange their ideas. Again, I welcome all of you to this 5 days FDP and wish for a grand success of this program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your nice words. Now, I would like to request our Dean CDC, Professor P.R. Das, sir, to speak a few words.
Thank you. Honorable Vice Chancellor and Patron of this FDP, Professor Bansidhar Maji, our Chief Guest, Professor Alok Satpathy of NIT Rourkela, Guest of Honor, Professor Pati, Director of IQAC, Guest of Honor, Professor D. Mishra, Dean Academics, all the resource persons, HOD Mechanical, Dr. Deo, coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Devasmita Misra, co-coordinators, Dr. Sahu and Swai, all the deans, head of departments, faculty colleagues, participants, and other dignitaries present here online. It is my pleasure that the Department of Mechanical Engineering is organizing this AICT Teaching and Learning sponsored 5 days online FDP on novel materials fabrication, design and optimization during the time period 20th to 24th September 2021. I am more happy because I am also a material scientist working on ferroelectrics, piezoelectrics, multiferroics, ceramics and composites, all polymer composite also. So it is double pleasure for me. Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology has participating innovating teaching practices to attain its mission of being committed to excellence in technical education, research and training, use of contemporary participant-centric pedagogies and teaching methods, establishing a presence in emerging segments of technical education. In this endeavor, BSSUT is committed to providing research and technical teaching skills enhancement programs for fellow faculty of technical schools in the nation. The faculty development program at BSSUT are carefully designed to bridge the gap in quality research and teaching skills that are required in contemporary technical education in India. Here, I want to focus something about the activities going on the Center of Distance and Continuing Education in BSSUT. We have QIP Center whose main objectives are providing the opportunity to teachers of the degree level engineering institutions across the country in different engineering branches to improve their qualification by offering admissions to PhD programs under QIP schemes. Organizing short-term courses at QIP Center for upgrading the knowledge of faculty members, curriculum development, cell activities, syllabus revision, teaching and learning resource materials, preparation of courses materials, e-content development, workshop and seminar, which help to improve the classroom teaching and learning. The program launched by the Government of India is being implemented and monitored by the National QIP Coordination Committee, funded through AICTE. The QIP Center of the university was started in the year of 2011-12 with a total sanction intake of 10 PhD seats, 2 in each discipline of civil, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical, production engineering. Next, about the NDF or ADF, recently it has been ADF. We are offering PhD program under AICTE doctoral fellowship. Earlier it was designated as NDF. The objective of these ADF schemes are to promote the research culture in AICTE approved institutions, to promote collaborative research between institute and industry leading to startups, to nurture the talents of technical research in the country. The duration of the scheme shall be for a period of 3 years. Further 1 year extension in 2 slots of 6 months each may be given by AICTE on the recommendation of the university, based upon the performance of the scholar in the research work. The fellowship generally is 31,000 with contingency, with HRA contingency, etc. So that way the research is going on in ADF scheme. We are also offering executive BTech program for industry people as a part of the institute industry interaction. The 2 executive BTech programs are running since 2017 and is going to be completed, and we are going to open shortly commence another program for Hindalco employees. That the 2 streams of this executive BTech are power engineering and electrical by Department of Electrical and Mechanical, manufacture and processing engineering by Department of Metallurgy and Materials Engineering with production engineering. As mentioned earlier, this FDP is on novel materials fabrication, design, and optimization. As you know, materials have central roles in the field of engineering. They define through structure and devices our interfaces to the physical and the virtual world. The emergence of new materials, especially novel, we may say smart, sometimes we use intelligent materials, which catalyzes transformative advances in civilization to an extent that eras of human development are often defined by the prevailing materials used in engineering system from the stone, bronze, iron ages to the present times, aptly referred to as silicon or polymer age. In recent years, novel materials have dramatically changed the way of human life in the globe. It could prove disastrous for us if we overlook the magnificent feat of technology of fabrication, optimization for the development of smart materials, or we can say novel materials. From an academic standpoint, the fundamental phenomenon that define complex relationship between chemical composition, structure, properties in advanced materials serve as the basis for some of the most intellectually stimulating and dynamic areas of research in the science and engineering. This work has additional appeal because it is intrinsically interdisciplinary and combines essential aspect of traditional field in the in physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, surgery, pharmaceutical sciences to an increasing extent together with engineering process and control strategy. Progress in material science and the engineering application of new material is essential to pursue of solution to societal grand challenges. This influences the material scientists and engineers on the globe to design and develop new novel materials as per challenge we face. The idea of this FDP is to make the participant aware of the field of materials. I've gone through the list and profile of resource persons who are to deliver talks on composite, advanced functional materials, smart material application, optimization and fabrication, different types of synthesis method and characterization, and I'm pretty sure their presence will make a difference, and this FDP will help us to improve the quality of teaching, which will motivate the students as well as the participants to take up the challenges in this interdisciplinary field for design and development of new materials or smart materials for growth of society and the globe to a new age beyond the silicon or polymer age. Finally, I thank all the organizations to arrange such a beautiful FDP and inviting me to be involved in this FDP and wish all the success of the program. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words. Now I would like to request our guest of honor, Dr. Shishir Mantri, sir, to please motivate us with his words. Sir, please. Shishir, sir, are you there? Sir?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm just leaving for the office. I was not prepared for this. Anyway, I wish all the very best for this FTV program. And we have with us our Alok sir, who is the chief guest, who will give an inspirational address, of course. And with these small words, I request Devasmita to continue. I'm driving and I wish all the best. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your motivation. Shishir sir is the one of the speakers today, and he is working in IMMT Bhubaneswar as a principal scientist. So you'll get to know him about more. Now I'd request Alok Satpathy sir, Professor NIT Rourkela, who is our chief guest, my inspiration, my guru, my guide. to shower us all with his pearls of wisdom. Sir, please.
Okay, good morning to all. Can you all hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
You are audible, audible.
okay. So at the outset, let me make first the comment that I'll make a very short speech because I have to give a 1 hour or more than 1 hour long talk later on. So good morning, everyone. The head of the department, Dean, and Dean Academics, and IQAC chairman, and all the conveners, and faculty members who are present online, and all the participants of this FDP. First of all, I hate to be called as a chief guest because I cannot be a guest to my own alma mater. BSS UT Burla, which was called UC Burla earlier, is my alma mater. I was here for 4 years and I passed out in 1990. So coming here online or offline is always a homecoming for me. So it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of any event that is happening at Burla. In addition to that, it gives me additional pleasure and a lot of happiness when I see so many faces who are my students, starting from all the conveners, Dr. Devasmita, Tapas, and Dr. Santosh, and head of the department, Dr. Deo, then Dr. Punyapriya, and there are so many who are my students at NIT Rourkela, and also your guest of honor, Dr. Sisir Mantri. So it's a proud moment for any teacher to see so many students conducting a fruitful academic event like this faculty development programs. Now, this Atal FDP, particularly FDPs and particularly Atal FDP, are a very good initiative of Ministry of Education. I mean, under the umbrella of which AICT does exist, and it is doing wonderful. I mean, it has been a wonderful platform throughout the country to share, exchange knowledge among the researchers all across the country. And Atal FTP has a special feature of adding soft skill into its scheme of events, like the emotional intelligence, like life skills, stress management, etc., which is giving a additional flavor to this event. And I like these particular features very much essential and very much beneficial for not only the participant but also their family members, for their students and all. Now, if I look at the program of your FDP, it is very interesting that under the umbrella of novel materials, you have kept topics ranging from, say, fabrication, design to characterization and even optimization. So you have also included materials like composites, and again in composites you have the green composites or natural composites, and you have insulative composites, you have characterization of composites, then you have included coatings, and in the coatings I think the plasma spray coating and thermal barrier coatings will be covered, and then various optimization techniques. So all these things will be covered, and I hope that the participants who will be attending this program from various parts of the state and country will be benefited and will get an additional dimension to their frame of the research thoughts. And um, maybe this some of these talks will motivate them to formulate new research problems and come out with fruitful research. So with this, I congratulate you all, and I wish the conveners best of luck to all the conveners of this FDP, and I wish that it will be a successful one, both academically and from the research point of view. And I would have been more happy to see Professor Maji here, but I think he is not there.
Sir, he is unwell.
Acha, okay. So I wish him speedy recovery. He has been my good friend and senior colleague for many years. And so with this, I once again wish you all the best and stop here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring us. Now I would like to request Professor B.B. Pati, sir, Senior Most Professor, VSS UT Bulla and Director IQAC, to speak a few words on this occasion. Sir, please.
Good morning, our esteemed Vice Chancellor, our revered guest, Professor Satpathy, Professor Shishir Mantriji, our own Dean CDC, Professor Piyush Babu, my head of the department, Dr. Deo, my dear colleagues, and our dear participants. I take the privilege in welcoming our guests of the inaugural function and sincerely thank and express gratitude for their kind consent for this FDP. I also thank learned participants for showing their interest in this particular 1 week long FDP in really an emerging area, novel materials, fabrication, design and optimization, NFFD. Entire course will be online mode. I congratulate all the 3 young and dynamic course coordinators of mechanical engineering, Devasmita, Santosh and Tapas, who are really noble addition to our scheme of things in the last decade, for organizing the program timely and so beautifully, and thanks for inviting me. Welcome to other dignitaries. We are expecting Debu sir also. I think he is busy. So welcome other dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, to this AICT Training and Learning academic program. Our Dean CDC, really a material science expert of the country, is in this program. The relevance of this program he has detailed. This is really an interdisciplinary program. And the course, as I know, is open for faculty members of all the AICT approved institutions, PG research scholars also, and participants from government as well as industry. What I remember during last 5 to 6 years in our university, our faculty members also, they have tried to put in evidence this interdisciplinary nature of the key role of physics and material science. We have a very good metallurgy and material science department. Material science research is going on well, high quality research in our chemistry department also. We have conducted many conferences, workshops, activities on this topic, material science. I wish all success to the program and expect a peaceful interaction among participants. I also regret to conduct it in online, otherwise refreshment for all the participants is guaranteed. Thank you, Devasmita, once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring and guiding us. For network issues, our Dean Academic, Dr. D. Mishra, Professor D. Mishra could not join us. So sorry for that. Now I would finally request Dr. Santosh Kumar Sahu, the co-convener of this program, to please conclude the inaugural ceremony by presenting the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Namaskar. I am feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this inauguration function of AICT sponsored Atal FDP NFFDO 2021. We are greatly encouraged by your gracious Chief Guest, Sir, Professor Alok Satpathy, Guest of Honor, Professor Bhipati Sir, Director IQAC, and Professor P.R. Das, Sir Dean Academic, and HOD Mechanical Engineering, and my coordinator and co-coordinator of NFFDO 2021. I give my heartiest respect to my beloved teacher, Professor Alok Satpathy Sir, as the chief guest of today's inauguration function, for his presence in his FDP. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation. We all have enormous respect to you, sir, and I hope your blessing will be with us and give us energy to success in our life. We are very much encouraged by the inspiring address of Professor Bhipati sir, Director IQAC. I want to express my sincere thanks to him for sharing his valuable time with us. And I want to express my heartiest thanks to Professor P.R. Das sir, Dean CDC, for his continuous inspiration. And I express to profuse thanks to Dr. C.R. Dev, HOD in charge of Mechanical Engineering Department, to give him encourage to make this type of event. I thank him for this encouragement, guiding and providing the stimulating environment for the educational development. Also, I want to express my sincere thanks to Professor Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, the chairman of AICT, and Director R.K. Soni, Director of Atal Academy, for providing the grant to conduct this type of program. I want to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, the absentee, for his continuous motivation and inspiration, and also providing the to inspire to conduct this FDP. Last but not least, my special and hearty thanks to the guests, faculty, and my collegiate students, staff for their support, dedication, teamwork, and entire effort. Finally, I thank all the persons for their august presence among us. This reflects their commitment to the profession. I convey thanks to all the distinguished participants. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Now with this, we end this session, inaugural session. Please be with us because we will start the session very shortly. So please don't go away. With a 1 minute gap, we will start it. So please don't log out.